Welcome to Steilacoom Ridge, another stunning community developed and built by Thurston County's largest and most successful local homebuilder, Rob Rice. Ideally located just minutes from Interstate 5, the Hawks Prairie shopping area, and Joint Base Lewis McChord, this community is perfect for anyone traveling north to Tacoma or Seattle or south to Lacey. Steilacoom Ridge offers 9 thoughtfully designed floor plans, including 2-story homes, luxury ramblers, and main floor primary suite layouts, with square footage ranging from 1,856 to 2,736. Every home is built with superior finishes, expansive hardwood floors, solid surface quartz countertops, maple cabinetry, white millwork throughout, and fully landscaped yards with backyard fencing. Homeowners also enjoy a top-of-the-line energy efficiency package featuring a 5-stage heat pump, providing both heating and air conditioning, a forced air carrier furnace, solar panels, and more. If you love open recreational areas, Steilacoom Ridge is the place for you. Enjoy expansive walking trails, a private park, and close proximity to Lacey's Regional Athletic Center. With 8 total phases, Rob is now building in phases 5 and 6, both offering unique advantages. Select home sites provide breathtaking territorial views of open green space that you can enjoy for years to come, while others are just steps from the community park. If you'd like to become part of one of Rob's most successful communities, visit us at 600 Steilacoom Drive, Southeast in Lacey.